Hi, my name's Sarah. I'm a junior here at Boston College. I live off campus. I live on Commonwealth Avenue, which is located right on the Green Line and about a 15-minute walk from campus or a quick shuttle ride away with the BC shuttle. Let me show you inside. Now that we're inside, let me tell you a little bit about my place. I live in a 5-bedroom apartment with 2.5 baths, a fully furnished kitchen, and a living room. Let me show you around. And now we're in the kitchen. Here we have a large, fully furnished kitchen where we can cook all of our meals and host all of our friends for dinner. However, if we're on campus, we can opt in for the flex dining plan to buy our meals there. And it leads right into the family room so we can all hang out together. The majority of BC students receive 3 years of on-campus housing, with the required off-campus year being their junior year. You can find an apartment however you would like, but the Office of the Dean of Students provides an off-campus housing database that allows students to look for local listings, find potential roommates, and many more resources. They also host info sessions and housing fairs each semester to help students learn more about the process and connect with rental agencies. I met my roommates my freshman year, and we lived together on campus in Walsh Hall our sophomore year. We loved it so much that we signed off campus for our junior year, and we're all living back together next year on campus, and we can't wait. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!